pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hey everybody, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello. I'm real glad you clicked on this video. I have the new Kylie Cosmetics lip kit, some liners for the lips and also for the eye, and I just wanted to do a review. I have only tried one of her eyeshadow palettes, and that was 2 years ago, and I did not like it. It was the holiday collection. But since she rebranded, which I'm not quite sure, I mean, this is the same packaging. I know that she did like black for a little while. So I've got 2 liquid lips, her liner in black, and a lip kit, right? I think that's it. She looks stunning in this picture. But we're going to try these on and see if... Now, I have not tried her other lip kits, so I don't know how the formula is going to be. But let's go ahead and open this packaging here. Okay, so that lip liner is supposed to go with that lippy. Huh. Okay, let's swatch them. Lip liner is very creamy. Now, I don't know if this is going to be my color, but we'll see. Okay, and then let's just do the lippy next to it. Okay, so we've got the liner and the lippy right there. It is definitely pretty. I don't know if it's going to work well for me, but let's try it. It's a nice lip liner. Okay, let's try the lippy. I'm a little nervous because I don't usually use these colors. Ooh, it smells good. It's kind of creamy, the formula. The lip liner definitely goes very well with it. How it wears, I have no idea. Let's take a look at, I do have her eyeliner, very pigmented, on my lower waterline. I'm going to swatch it for you though. It's a pretty amazing liner. Here it is there. Now let's open the other lippies. What color was that? Did I tell you the color of that? KRISTEN Matte, number 500. Okay, so I got this one here, which is number 604 Hazel, and it's a matte. Let's swatch her. Ooh, she's pretty. There she is there. And the last lippy I got, I think these were like $17 or $18 a piece, is DOLCE K, number 703 in matte. So let's try it. Okay, that's pretty too. I think I'd probably like those better. So there's that one there. I think I should wipe this off and try one of the other colors. It dried down nicely. My lips don't look dry or anything. I'm liking this better than the Kylie Cosmetics ones. That's for sure. Sorry, Jacqueline. It's just, I gotta be honest. Okay, so let me go ahead and wipe this off. We'll try the other ones on the lips. Give me a second. Okay, let's go in with, I don't know. It's this one. Hang on. 604 Hazel, I think. Yeah, that's it. Let's try that one. Yeah, my lips are a little stained. I tried to get it off. It actually stayed on pretty well. Okay, I don't have a lip liner for this one. It smells yummy. It glides on. It's creamy. Definitely a pretty color. I would like to be a little more tan. I really like Miss Hazel. You could still see some of that other lip liner, but I really like this one. Dried down nicely. It's not transferring. That's awesome. Okay, so let me wipe off and we'll do the last one. I'm kind of excited. I love it when lippies work. I bought so many of Jacqueline's and I have to mix them with something else, like a different brand for it to work. Hers are very wet. Take a long time to dry down. My lips look really dry. I might have to buy more of these. Okay. Let's try the last one. Oh my gosh, it looked like I ate like Cheetos or something. It looks horrible. Where's my sponge? That's a little better. Okay, let's try the last one. Ooh, she's pretty too. Oh, I think this is my favorite. Yes, definitely. And this one, oh yeah, I like this one a lot. Perfect. Okay, so here are all the colors. Which one did you like, and did you get anything from this launch? Let me know down in the comments below. I definitely think this was worth it and I want to try more, but I definitely want to hear what you guys have to say about it. So I want to say thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I appreciate you guys. I hope that this review was helpful. If you have any questions at all, put them down in the comments below. I will do my very best to answer them, and I will see you real soon in another video. Bye!